This video is prepared by USMLE It will discuss chronic cough case. Step 2 CS. A 33-year-old man came to clinic with cough since last 3 weeks. Door information. Mike O'Hall, a 33-year-old factory worker, presents to the office with a cough for 3 weeks. Vitals. Temperature is 99.2 Fahrenheit. Heart rate is 80 per minute, regular. Respiratory rate is 14 per minute. Blood pressure is 120/84 millimeters of mercury. Oxygen saturation is 90% on room air. Differential diagnosis: chronic bronchitis, asthma, tuberculosis, pneumonia atypical, gastroesophageal reflux disease. To get the free online lecture by our experienced faculty, just send us email on contact@usmletutoring.com. Please visit our website www.usmletutoring.com. Our 100% satisfaction guarantee is about more than refunds. It is about a promise to deliver total satisfaction. We believe that services should come with long-term support, and this support is part of our company ethos. Patient Note Practice. Patient Note is the only document that is evaluated by a physician, so has to be given utmost importance. We provide training to write organized, inclusive and well-structured patient note. We make you write in a way that your thought process should reflect from each section in a way to make it informative yet precise. Please contact us on contact@usmletutoring.com. Your feedback and comments appreciated. So if you have anything you'd like to say about this video or our website, feel free to leave comment. Thank you for viewing our video.